So I have, that's my number 1. I hope you can see it. Number 1, right? So number 1 is 2 times 3 equals to dash. 2 times 3 equals to dash. So in this case, the first number here will be our column. This will be the column. You'll see column, and this will be the row. So column, we have 2 columns, so we just do 2 columns, 1 and 2. That's for the column, times then 3 rows. You have 3 rows, so the rows are going like that. So we do 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so after doing this, we are going to count all the points of meeting between the rows and columns. So let's count all of them so that we can see. So this is 1, 2. Let's count together all the points where the rows and columns are meeting in this example that I've drawn here. So let's count all of them. Let's start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the points for meeting in our rows and columns are 6. So 6 is our answer. Then you write the answer there. Okay, like that. Let's check another example. Let's do example number 2. Ice to the board, ice to the board, ice to the board, ice to the board. Okay, so I have said in this case today we are using rows and columns to do our multiplication. So let's do another one. Is 4 times 3 equals to dash. 4 times 3 equals to dash. So in this case, again, I want us to do using the rows and columns. So here we'll have 4 columns. So let's do the 4 columns. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have 3 rows. The rows are 3. So we do 1, 2 and 3, like that. Then after that, I said we are counting all the points of meeting where the 2 lines are meeting for both rows and column. The meeting points looks like this. Okay, like where my hands are, 2 hands, this one meeting now, that point for meeting. So in this case, the points for meeting are these ones here. Okay, oh yeah, like this. All these points for meeting for these 2 lines, that is what we are counting in this exercise. Okay, all the points where the lines are meeting. So let's count in our example here so that we can get the answer. The points for meeting: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I got them to be 12. All right, all the points for meeting in this exercise, when I drew my columns and rows, all the points for meeting here are 12, and that is our answer. All right, so let's do another one, another example. Let's do another one and see how it works, and I hope you're all following. So let's do this together. I want us to do this together. So this will be number 2. Let's do this. Let's do it together. So this is 5. Write 5. All right. Write 5 times 3 equals to dash. Write that 5 times 3 equals to dash. So in this example here, we are going to draw 5 columns. So let's draw 5 columns. Columns are the ones that are going from top to bottom or up down. So let's do the 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so those are the 5 columns here. Then let's do 3 rows. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Right, so let's do that. Then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to count all the points, where the lines meet, all the points where all the lines have met. Okay, so let's count all of them, the points of meeting of all the rows and columns. So let's start. Number 1, the first one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is my answer, and I write it up there nicely as 15. So count yours. If you got yours also to be 15, that means we counted well. Okay, that means we counted well. So let's do again example number 3. We always do 5, so let's do again. Let's go to example number 3. And I've said here the secret is that you count all the points where the 2 lines meet, the points of meeting. For example, the points, if I have these 2, let's assume these are 2 lines. So if they meet like this, the point of meeting is that now where the 2 are meeting. So in this case, the point of meeting is here. Okay, this point, this part, that is what you are counting in all the lines, the points where the 2 lines are meeting, all the line where they all meet. All right, so let's do example number 3. All right, number 3, I have 6 times 4 equals to dash. 6 times 4 equals to dash. Now in this example, how many rows are we going to make? Going to make 6 rows. So let's do the 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 rows. Then 6 columns. We are making 6 columns. Then we do the 4 rows. Let's do the 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4, like that. So after doing that, I said the next thing you do is to count all the points where the rows and the columns have met, so that we get the answer correctly. So let's count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So all the rows and columns, as you can see where they have met, that is what we are counting. These ones, the points where they have met between the columns and the rows, all the points where they've met, we count all of them. 1, 2, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So here 24 is our answer, right? Thank you. Then let's do another one. This is a nice adventure, So let's do another one. So here will be number 4. This will be number 4, our number 4. All right, number 4. Okay, so number 4, I have 8 times 2 equals to dash. 8 times 2 equals to dash. So this means we are going to do 8 columns. So let's go. 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. then 2 rows, 1 and 2. Then we count all the points where the rows and the columns have met. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Let's count all the points together. Let's start again. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all the points where the rows and columns met are 16. So you write for me your answer here as 16. Okay? Write your answer there as 16. All right, so our answer here is 16. 16 is our answer. If you got it right, that is okay. So let's do the last example. The last example in this exercise. The last example here, I'm having 5 times 4 equals to dash. All right, so here what are we going to do? 5 rows. So let's do that together. Let's do 5 rows together. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns, then 4 rows. Let's draw the 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then from there, I said we count all the points where the rows and columns are meeting. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20. 20 is our answer there. So let's do our last example here. The last example, number 5. Our example number 5. Example number 5. All right, let's do 7 times 2 equals to dash. So in this case, we write 7. We draw 7 columns. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we do 2 rows, 1 and 2. Then from there we count the points where they are met. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. 14. So 14 there is our answer. Okay, so we will continue doing more practice and more exercise in this in our Google Classroom. See you and au revoir.